Baby, out here, we are live, and we are live to bring you all the details. And some of course currently, Ghana, the air topic currently the chat, and the abuano no me inside the barbershop. In fact, part of today's issue, though, very very interesting. Nikasam, and the other side, no, wasam. Sakwon for etimi akoto. I share a football team or Ghana. Sure. Na wo motimi atata wo mo football team na akọbọ ewurem san wo mo awon wurem okofim se wo mudi wo mo bone ye de that details no ebe somo san so ana ye nya details be from the Ghana Immigration Service ye no so be somo but the idea here no enu ne be dikin abomu ti be bia wo hwe free bia do na wa share this video ama wo bia no exactly I'm sure so who said Sam George Honorable Sam George currently or no ana trend pa ye ewo Ghana, especially on Asante for but one thing that I'm happy about this particular details now, son, everybody know, they were Ghana for Ghana for we uncle yes some tribe bio say abunu for the western, the eastern, even the northerners no Asante for no know because there were a lot of videos of which I believe so be say a circulator when we change sad details way. As I'm doing the about 12 the nyanse biedim. Idea betina Asante Regiin no. Say we are crave through where the second capital of the state no. Nipa bodom pem wa kra no mu bobi nsu Kumasi no. Eye dey na hode wo mu konya just 3 centers per. In fact, Ghana for mo nse ba mo ho. My de om de agu Sam George so am no ka say you turn bi atiesim. You turn bi atiesim. You be da abot dey abo awra the U10s no nsem foforo Sam George the ababeto ayabonte sounds ne betie the other training issues no and so munu say about life ayenche ndi wana wa ha what say every time say buy your life no should be out do not forget to share the kind and make sure say the be notification issues so how subscribe you know those notification so now after what you should all the send be a show live now you be the first to be here. And yes, sir, they be able join the live in later. No, obe join no. Now come on, ya tears in fin. Ya be na come on say then come on say time be and I say he ne kwe. They be so be on this so. Now you buy live now phone it to me. I got you. So say then come on say me heard this video from Sam George. I didn't say me na say but you buy update everybody they are
130 learning centers across the country. 130 learning centers across the country. These 130 learning centers are in each of the 16 regions. So in each of the 16 regions, we've got learning centers. We've got in the Hafo region, we have 4 centers. In Bono, there are 7. Bono East, 8. Central region, 9. Eastern region, 4. Greater Accra region, 24. North East 3, Northern 11, OT 4, Savannah 7, Upper East 11, Upper West 7, Volta 14, Western is 9. In Ashanti there are 3. In Ashanti there are 3. In one.
Is that what is I'm doing in some work? Enkomo bi efa ye fre bibi 1 million coding that is project bi ebe baswa according to Abayno or say eja obeboa Ghana mabunu no na eba computer ho nsem a wo matimi enso etu ho anamo ye na that program na wo dey ba no as so for did dia to 1 million coding some things project bi se ni che mu nyina ne se sisi do mbie nimdie punu bi ama Ghana fo mbabu na se Ghana 4% omusua said the computer no softwares o build our software na say I to sense an adwuma in this 21st century the computer na enya sans an adwuma no na nkwa to say bia okosua ka atua na say bia carpenter nkwa this time we are coded into computer no san adwuma and basically whatever now according to Sam George no say 1 million Ghanaian youth no mako 1 million no person training. Some of them will be going into how to, you've heard they say, learn how to build websites, any applications, how to build AI. Yeah, be out to me so bit me the photo kekena photo ne kasane, those kind of beautiful things. So any other, emerging technical that is skills by the computer. No di nasa no man. No person for the banner. No na 1 million Ghanaian youth are choose you. What say opeso sisi centers. Ah, one be kwa kwaji say ni mudia no. Na centers now on some George OCC. In fact, most of the regions no there were weird worldwide. Now what na what share Ghana for region bia any computer hodwa what they call ama emebunu no enso atimi enya emu chefa. Na when obobo mu ache mu say according to him ne there says wo hwa region bi wo ho a wo so onya 20 something, region bi wo ho wo so onya 3, region bi wo ho a wo so onya 4, region bi wo ho wo so onya 5. Na ordinary nsem beto abonti na Ghana for Sam George na nsem na wo keke. Sam George nsem na wo keke. Ade a wo che die na nka ne che mu ano no nanso Asante Regiin die de na akɔche BBC ema ne 3 na other regions say nkuruwa na enya eye enan enum 14 12 ne agade 20 something. Asante Regiin so in fact Asante Regiin nye kuro ketwa sese ube BBC ama oman no a ukoma ye fed say ye fan say nkura omo population empun do 1 million. Nkuro mu population endu 1 million. Ewo Ghana na be 5 7 8. Now Asante Regiin and the population over 5 million people no 3 centers per. Asante foi emunu ya omutikum omso monti ase. Ghana for so Asante foi so e fire Sam George ama me no ka say die. Sam George edin nsem foforo aba beto abonten. Na Sam George nsem foforo de aba beto abonten was wo hu de ekoso ewo Ghana ni nyina. Ejaja na wo moto bo no was wo hu jari nyina. Se wo mo che ne se de na Asante Regiin ebenya 3 centers per no was wo hu sa adoma no. Na in fact da Asante Regional Minister amwako hene kura Fredo na se hit ni koso no Asante Regional Minister amwako hene no feel hit no wo mu di gu no so na ofre Sam George no che Sam George hey Sam George na na pesa Asante fo di am Asante Regiin we BBC bo man ni ma Asante Regiin kakraka we 3 sebi region bu ho kura no a se nipa ho mpunduru 500,000 omunya 6 centers 6 centers so omuma mesua computer ho no ma Asante Regiin e de na miensa pe na wo de kwa akomo mu sa masa wa mama so ahwe ho na se call no kwa awiye no na de wo code mu no Sam George so twiragu internet ni so se ye meka bi mamo sisi ensem no asesa hit no ama U10 bia bam. So according to Sam George no say I have seen the agitations about the announcement of 3 centers in the Asante Regiin. Was so who bibia hit no ekoso no and the Ghana for chere say centers 3 now de Asante Regiin in twa was so home. Also let me provide some more details. Also person change same people. Each learning center gets 50 laptops. Was it learning center bia no 50 laptops and was in Kaunya tie pa. Na embomu no Edra, that is a day before Asante or this bro ha ne beto abonte no. Announce Asante Regiin 3 centers na that is 150 laptops per no. Now we can crowd the 500 laptops and I'm going to order Asante Regiin. And what you believe Sam George boy? Because if say 500 laptops already were on their way to Asante Regiin, now who make it that public announcement? Would you say the upper fans? Kabeka a hit, Now say Ghana for hit no no chele mumpe 500 laptops bin kan ho. Now 500 laptops no they are very beautiful about it. They say. So Sam George etimika say 500 laptops in addition to the 3 centers now Asante phone bu fun. Kwa Asante Regiin already there. Then what it means and say that is additional 10 centers. Timi nyanum Asante for munya butre. Aye. So 500 laptops are on their way. And of course we will make reference to KNUST. KNUST in Timi nyanum Sam George be twatrosa. The reference he made was very very source. Or chair say KNUST for laptop 500 and kwanswa echo dada. Necessary. Or no need chem say DH Asante Regiin nya 3 centers no. Of which say every center bia 50 laptops no. H say KNUST in kwano wa Asante mem no wafa 10 centers. What calculation here? 500 laptops echo KNUST. Let's say KNUST in kwano for 10 centers. And so in general sense, if say so region bi konya 10 na Asante Regiin enya 3 center. Tie de making here. Ono sa region no 10 centers no at the end of the day no e be training nipa 500 because every center bia no 50 laptops and ye did that. Don't forget to say each personnel a yɛkɔ training bia equal to 1 laptop. Ebusuafo mutie pa. It is out to some regions bi enya 10 7 near dia Asante Regiin basically carry information about say when ya more than that because 500 laptops no currently they are on your way of which I believe say Womadru Asante Regiin currently as I'm talking to you, and the Asante Regiin Minister Amwakohina has confirmed also we confirm say ampa 500 laptops no they were on their way to that is the Asante Regiin. So currently no we share announcement in here or say I announced this as phase 1 of the rollout. Even we no beka we know 500 laptops plus the 3 centers I kabo maybe 15 centers no ekra no ebe kabo mo say. So we have currently deployed 650 laptops to the Asante Regiin. Not 150 has been claimed, meaning Asante Regiin is going to get 15 centers. But kukuru most of the centers no. Also, I mentioned to my brother, Dr. Amwakohina, the Asante Regional Minister, that we will be rolling out another 25 centers. Of which also Enchakrano, almost say 25 centers be a announcement of which say and no so crano. Asante Regiin be saying and and so ewo eye enumu. And some brand new, regional innovation centers be our best building ewo eye Kumasi. So obi biara out ye biano. Sabram no kaze Sam George or the Samfo for Ababetu Dawache say K1ng for Nkwano laptops say cohort to train people no o calculate here almost equal to a year that is a year 10 centers. Now Ebujavo memory the other details I was some other make say and no na air cost so currently in the Asante Regiin as a semino ka say the Asante Regional Police Command one mo fu ye pa me no ka say abrantia hu no screen issue Abusua oye Brekum Chelsea footballer bako ana obi akọ etimi ahwe nyame anim akọ bo ni tuo ekum no na kwan amfa so omkọ ball krati tuo kum no eno na ya ahwe hosem ntia onua ken meti hey. In fact Ghana yehu papa Abusua Sunday ye twa mu anu ayi anwumre be 10 p.m. Ana football team here wa Ghana ya friend we Brekum Chelsea. Ebusua wo mu twam na wo mu nam kwan bia your friend that is Ashirem Dwumo Grasu road no that is I think say Fresu road as a bibisa wo mu frɛ kwan no KDS na sa KDS kwan no ana yese Brekum Chelsea fo anadwo be 10 p.m. wo mu twabu na sese omo se mrantie bi be yensia enso etimi abegina kwan mu asese wo ma hofama mu kire se omo ya akromfo ankasa enti bas ya footballers team no hu akromfo no na sese e wo so pe baby fa because omo nim di akromfo di be footballers nkwa be 30s that is omo no mo bas nim no nkwa be 30 enso omo fa akwati kwan bi a na ho ye nwuram kakra akromfo etimi hwe nyame anim di gu football team yi bas yi so kopim so omo kwachi omo nwuram ko omo sane tuo gu bas ne so meni wo kasa idie etuo no omo sane ye no na sese kratia hu no musku ni so yi watimi aye nyame dia etuo no tutu achi no mni kopie mu hospital but tu ekeka no na se doctor she hwe enyiye timi no kasa idie etuo etimi tutu ye ewo ye Ashirem ye frɛ ho baabi Juma if I'm right but do na for KDS na sese nyina hi kwa so ho no baabi ne die sese kratch no ahwere ne kra enkwa omo anku ne keke omo sa first ka be sika ni be 45 million e de ka ho enso edi do mu a womo enso edi ko ya sese ebusua me no ka say the Ghana Police Service edi san krata we aba beto abonti a womo chem se omo di kresa enkofukuro ya womo di sa aboni die womo do omato wanted list ye hu omo de but omo tire se manhunt eda womo tiri so a ye hwe omo gidigidi se omwetimi akosane tu agu a football team bas so a football team bas so a etimi ama player baako ahwere ne kra enkwa krachi na omukum no abushia se oye player bi a omuchie mu so a woni ball no bo papa asese enye agro adomatimi akoyi na firi honum sa. Now the next details asese mo honum ana Ghana immigration fo ibi edit details is na me hu ye in fact abushia me hore ho ye omo se efi se aban foforo yi baayi mahama baayi won mo aketua kamua ema even in faswa wo munya no aban mu se aban emo rent allowance ni ade so a eno so ma, especially for the past 1 year here ahokyere pa Ghana immigration for ewo no omuwo mu no enu ntina hwe a ene omu gyan Nigeria for no mu wura mu oboda house because se komode no na obi be ma na alawa kakra bi ama no ntwobo kakra ewura mu a wono ofade ho aban si wontua meka na so obema me ntwobo no ewura ma so mu abusua o medidi na se san komo nti ana ntwobo ene kronobo ekoso ewo boda no so sa wo mu so mu sika no akamu a na wo mu ho no ma no mu se nche kura ba busumi ni aban na hyase se otua wo mu ka aban tua wo mu ka aban tua wo mu ka aban si sika no amede mu no afa mi betua na emum tua me ba betua no munka na mu hu se me pese mutum aketua no mu ma mo na nka eye ani gisem ema mo nti tua me betua yi aketua no mi tum 9% amamanya salary increment of 9%. Na 9% no ami increase ye no ha na asem no wo my allowance be to say rent allowance na me 20% free so where you rob Peter to pay Paul. Me mam 9% increment of salary, but me 20% out of your allowances. Hey, and in keja allowance no more, they maintain one salary because at the end of the day, no, kum ha no aso ha. But do na buy ni ekumu no, wo de hwe eye de ode ka ho no a fenyinam. Senko ja o market you an sample a enke. And currently as I'm talking to you, Ghana Immigration Service for their team him say ade ani ahwewosem as say omukura ahuye papa. For the past 1 year, won't you omoka? Now about betu omoka. Who better to omo? Even say allowance of one of just 9%. We are awesome. And of course, we share details there. We are chrono buying person about the immigration officers no any asem papa kra. We are awesome cause only I can Ghana mabuabu no amedia baba besumu. The good details and say currently Sam George was sana no. Because additional 500 laptops no na ka ho a quarter ase no ono aye basic calculation no hu se nke no 10 centers laptops no ko betina ho nka say 3 centers for Asante Regiin bibia akwa pusukusie no amana pf rebon amana ba beka no since Asante for no you should relax. It is no more yet 3 centers, but currently it is more than that. Our calculated year c.a.d. the Asante Regiin war about a year 15 centers. The number of people omo training no and here very important, and yet the buildings. No? If Asante Regiin is going to train a lot of people as much when compared to centers, not a year about 15 centers. I think that is enough. Asante Regiin deserves that because Nipadodo mo Asante Regiin neno, and ya Asante for nkwa. Ye ni anu mo Ghana, be a call Kobra because the second capital of the country. To di nsemati, so mo ya Asante for nkwa. Obeko kra na wo mo ye trade wo mo no. Se bi di no kra ko hedi no a Asante ni din ba ko credit. And this is some of the reasons as to why we shouldn't, tribalize these kind of things. Because ye can sit here nipa do so mu a eya enye temamufo nkwa ana etewo. Udi K1ng Ghana ni we in case of any update we share that video. So chill. Morning Asante nye 3 centers. Nemum more than 3 centers. So it's currently there. Asante Regiin about 15 centers in terms of the number of trainees are buying on epic here. It does.